And thanks to the supporter for coming. Without you guys, we cannot do nothing.
You here,
Yeah,
you here. Selamat malam. First of all, I want to say terima kasih for all the supporters that come here today to support the players. Because they today make a fantastic environment, and we see the extra energy that they give to our players. And just like this, with this connection, we can make good things. When we scored the goal, was more easy, because when we scored the goal, the environment was a fantastic environment, and the players feel and the focus of all the players, all the team, was good. After we scored the second goal, we have more 2 or 3 good offensive transitions that unfortunately the last pass not so good. Also Persija have the same situation. But I want to say one thing. I think 5 yellow cards and in the other side 2 yellow cards. I think it's very easy to give yellow card to PSM Makassar and very difficult to the opponent. But okay, we win. I am happy, especially with the players, because they deserve to win, and also with the supporters that make the trip here, the travel, and come here and support the team. And I hope that next game they can come again and make this, because we can make a fantastic environment and the players deserve. Terima kasih for the supporters and terima kasih for the players for the good game, especially without the ball that they make today.
Good evening. First, sorry for my voice. Too much excitement. First game home, and I'm very happy. Thanks to the coach, because 2 weeks we have been working hard for this game, and thanks to the supporter for coming. Without you guys, we cannot do nothing. And this game was a very important game because we were needing the game to bounce back. And thanks to everyone, we are very excited for this game. But this is just the beginning. We're looking forward to the next game. We try to give our best. We try to follow the coach, because he knows what he's doing. He don't sleep. He work hard. He come, look the game, try to push, and we are very, very happy for this win. Thanks to everyone.
Coach, first win in the difficult situation. What does this mean for you?
First win means a lot, because on the first game we not deserve to draw, and on the second game we draw because there was a penalty that was not a penalty. On the third game we draw away on the difficult field, that history against Sven Pandang away. On the history, PSM Makassar always lose, just draw last season and this season. And last match we lose because 2 penalties, and this is a feeling that it's very difficult to pass, and also with the financial conditions. So today at least we are happy because we can win for the players, for all the staff, and especially also for the supporters. Terima kasih to them, and this is the feelings that we feel now. Of course, because I think the players and the supporters and all the staff deserve more than be on the bottom, because these people work hard. So was fantastic, the attitude, not just from the players but also from the supporters.
Rama dari Herald ID. Selamat untuk kemenangan perdana PSM. Singkat terkait pertandingan selanjutnya menghadapi PSM Yogyakarta. Kita tahu PSM sangat tangguh di luar kandang, sudah menumbangkan 3 tim di kandangnya, yang notabene adalah tim-tim yang menurut saya kandidat juara. Bagaimana kira-kira? Apalagi di situ ada mantan anak asuhnya Tavares, Helmin Haljeta.
Yes, I agree with you. The striker play here before was me and PSM Makassar that bring him to here. He's a fighter also without ball and with ball. Also Zé Valente from Portugal. Many players They sign good players also. They have good team with the ball and without ball. And what you say is true. They are a team that playing away, they are very, very dangerous. They have very good results. And last game they win Bali 1-3. So means that now we need to try to recover. Put a happy face today, and tomorrow we start to recover, and after we start training. But I think it's very important that the supporters come, because if they make this environment against PSM, I think we can make a good game also, and we can try to fight for the 3 points, for the 3 point, and this is what we're gonna try to do.
Ini kemarin kan tempat situasi PSM ini bagus di pertandingan awal ini kan sempat tidak bagus performanya, dan sempat sebelum laga kemarin ini kan sempat curhat soal keuangan PSM ini. Tips untuk membuat pemain-pemain bangkit dan bisa meraih hasil kemenangan tadi seperti apa?
As I said yesterday, we not make pre-season. In the other seasons, we have Piala president. If you're gonna see the games that we play, many players not be with us. Many players. See the players that play today. See how many players not start with us. Many players. And also these players that play today, some of them come from injured. And these make all the difference. Against Persita, some players play coming from injured. Other players, they are on national team. Other players, they are on army duty. And this we cannot control. When we have more players, we have more options. And the quality of the training is better because there are more competition. And now I believe, unfortunately we have some players injured, but I believe that on the future we can have more competition on the training. If we have more competition on the training, on the games we can get more intensity and everything. But for today, I think was fundamental, the supporters. Was fundamental because when the team makes some good things, the supporters with the atmosphere, with the environment, make extra energy for them. And after they get confidence. And one player when not win, when the thing's not gonna happen good, is without confidence. And the player or team with confidence make fantastic things. So, terima kasih for the supporters to make this to the team.
Oke, saya kira cukup teman-teman. Kita ucapkan terima kasih dan kita aplaus dulu untuk pemain Persib Makassar.
Terima kasih, terima kasih.
Sampai jumpa di pertandingan berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.